Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to turn these overripe bananas into something golden, wholesome and guilt-free. My eggless banana walnut bread. Using simple ingredients, no refined sugar, no maida. I start by mashing the bananas and in a bowl add coconut oil or melted butter, drizzle of honey and splash of milk. Combine them well. Next, add the mashed bananas and give this a nice mix. In another bowl, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. Whole wheat flour keeps it hearty, while the cinnamon adds warmth and comfort to every bite. So I'm going to mix in the dry into the wet. A one bowl recipe which is easy to follow and easy to make. So then comes the good stuff. Crunchy roasted walnuts, a handful of chocolate chips and a sprinkle of raisins. Every mix feels like comfort in a bowl. So carefully fold in the dry into the wet. And because I love small fresh loaves, I shaped my own 250 gram pans using aluminium foil. So in this video, I'm showing you the super hack of making your own aluminium tins. So this is perfect for gifting and snacking. So once these tins are ready, I'm going to measure 250 grams into each tin. And I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. The kitchen fills with that cozy banana cinnamon aroma. And look at that, the bread comes out golden, soft and full of goodness. No guilt, no refined sugar, just pure comfort. So if you love this hearty treat, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. There's a lot more homemade goodness coming your way, so enjoy.